Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Tesla Model S updated. Begin by collecting your materials and choosing a clear reference photo before sketching. Sketch the car's basic silhouette lightly, mark wheel centers and roofline, and block in major shapes. Keep proportions simple and adjust lightly as you go. Work from large shapes to small details and clean up construction lines before finalizing. Start by lightly sketching the Tesla Model S silhouette and wheel placement to lock proportions early. Measure the wheelbase and roof height relative to the body to keep the car balanced. Use rectangles and ovals to map doors, windows, and the hood, and refine curves gradually. Check angles from your reference and correct major shapes before moving to finer details so the final drawing reads as one cohesive form. After refining shapes, focus on signature details like the headlights, smooth front fascia, and window contours to capture the Model S identity. Draw crisp panel lines and subtle door seams, then add mirror and wheel details. Plan light sources and shade with controlled strokes to suggest glossy paint and reflections. Use darker tones for cast shadows under the car and lighter strokes for highlights, and maintain contrast for a three-dimensional result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.